friends. Are you ready for story time? Today we have a wonderful book. This one is a flip book by Karen Katz, A Potty for Me.
Mommy got me something. Whatever could it be? A brand new little potty, and it's just for me. I've always gone in diapers. That's what they are for. But Mom says when I'm ready, I won't need them anymore. I try my brand new potty. It kind of feels okay. But I'm not ready yet. I want to go and play. Now I've got a feeling, and I think that I could pee. Mommy takes my diaper off, but this potty's not for me. Later, when I go outside to run and skip and play, uh-oh. I peed in my pants, but Mom says that's okay. Then it's time to snuggle in and turn off one last light. I wear a diaper while I sleep, so I'll stay dry all night. Wake up, good morning. I'll try my potty again. Me and Bunny sit a while, but I still don't think I can. Later, Mommy sits with me. We sit right there together. She shows me how to flush the toilet, and whoosh, down goes the water. Now it's time to take my bath. Woohoo! The water feels so wet. It makes me feel like I could go. Am I ready yet? I sit again on my new potty. I sit and wait and sit. Oh, I hear something in the potty. This time it could be it. Yay! I really did it! And now I know I can. I can go in my potty and I will do it again. No more diapers now. I'm as happy as can be. I get to wear big kid pants. I'm so proud of me. Great job, everyone. I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye.